Let us look at question number 3. Alan and Ben shared some sweets in the ratio 7:8 at first. Alan then bought 14 more sweets, while Ben ate 14 of the sweets he had. In the end, the number of sweets Alan and Ben had was in the ratio of 1:1. How many sweets did Alan have at first? So if we were to put it into ratio, it would look something like that. Alan is to Ben is 7:8. Now let's take a look at the manipulatives that we have. So assuming we actually have these multilink cubes that represents the sweets. So for Alan, I would have 7 packets. So okay, 7 bags of the sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to place these 7 bags with the same number of sweets in each bag into the box. As for Ben, he's supposed to have 8 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to place these 8 bags into the box as well. Now, next, the question states that Alan bought 14 more sweets. So I'm going to have 14 sweets here. I'm going to put it into Alan's box. On the other hand, Ben ate 14 of the sweets he has. It's going to take 14 sweets from Ben. So Ben is going to eat 14 sweets, and that's 10. And I'm going to get another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there, Ben has eaten these 14 sweets. Now, and we actually mentioned that in the end, which is currently, the number of sweets that Alan has to the number of sweets that Ben has was in the ratio of 1:1. What that means is, this box is exactly as the same as this box. Now, given that's the case, I can express the ratio like this. Alan and Ben has 7:8 at first. Alan bought 14 sweets, while Ben ate 14 sweets. In the end, the ratio was in 1:1. So working it out, we can say that for Alan, 7 bags plus 14 sweets must be equal to 1 box. Remember, the 7 bags here and that 14 sweets here must be equal to that 1 box. And for Ben, 8 bags minus that 14 sweets must be equal to 1 box. Now, given that both are the same in number now, what we have to do is that we have to equate the two equations together. 7 bags plus 14 must be equal to 8 bags minus 14. If that's the case, we shift this over the other side, we'll get 8 bags minus 7 bags must be equal to 14. Shift this over here, plus 14. So we have 1 bag is equal to 28. If 1 bag is equal to 28, let us remember that Alan has 7 bags at first. So 7 bags must be equal to 28 times 7, which will give us 196, which means Alan had 196 sweets at first.